here there is a locking pin for locking the chain. You have to remove this. Take the screwdriver, put the vehicle in gear so it won't move beyond this point. Place this here. This locking ring has come out. On this, remove this also. Push it from here. When you push it from here, it will be separated like this. The chain can be removed like this. Applied, it will get stuck up in this position for opening. This is the locking ring for the front sprocket. Remove the sprocket. This is the new set of front sprocket and rear sprocket including chain. Remove this and separate it from here. Place it, and on the other side this. Once you open this, it will come out. When you remove all four, it will come out like this. Replace all nuts. By this groove cut, the rear sprocket along with the drum will move ahead and backwards. This gap is for adjusting the chain. Place this sprocket. Place this one. This is for adjustment. Put this nut. Just a hand tight. Rod. This is the link here. Place the screwdriver like this. It will come out. There will be a plate like this. Remove this. The chain will be separated like this. This is the new sprocket. It will go like this. There is a trick in inserting the locking ring. It has to go like this. After that, it must exactly match to this. Now it is in locked position. Place this one. Here and pull tight. Now place the chain. Push the wheel to the forward side. Full. It comes here. Put the vehicle in gear position. Pull the chain like this. Now it is matching. Once both are matching, take this link. Insert on both the sides and press it. Once you did this, 95% of your job is done. Take this, place it. Take this locking ring. See how the chain is getting tightened. Tight both equally. This one, this is left side one, and this is right side one. You must equally tight them both. Now check for the tightness. It is little bit tight. See, when I open this, the chain is getting sagged. When I tight this, the chain is getting tightened up, and some more little. Now it's okay. The important thing is you have to tight this first. There should not be any loose in this. The work on the chain is over. Let us start and check how the chain is rotating.